In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create your account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link and get started. So this is going to be a kind of a quick guide how to get started, how to buy, and how to do things on ACBuy. So the first thing you need to know is you can go ahead and go to the very top right over here where there's kind of your account info. You can click on that and then you're going to be taken to the dashboard. In here, what you can do is you can see your personal center, you can see your orders, you can see your balance. So if you want to, you can go ahead and top up like that. You want to, of course, type in the amount or click one of the buttons down here, press confirm, choose one of these basically payment methods, and then you can go ahead and top up via that. Now, of course, that's just one thing you can do. In here, you can see your account info, you can see your wallet, you can see your coupons up here, you can see the messages, your shopping cart, favorites, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do and see up here. One thing that's very important as well is this button up here, which takes you to the shipping fee estimation. You can put in your warehouse location, the weight, the product type, length, width, and height. And then you can go ahead and just simply check your shipping fees and stuff like that, which is very handy. And then, of course, you have a bunch of different things up here, such as forwarding, your DIY order, you have your help over here as well. So yeah, again, there's a bunch of different things you can do over here, and you can go ahead and look at that too. Now, here at the Home tab, of course, most likely what you're going to be doing on here is buying. So if you want to buy, you can just go ahead and enter in the product. I'm going to go ahead and type in jacket, for example. You want to click on the search button. And here it's going to show you a bunch of different things from either 60 and 88 or from Taobao. You can swap between the two. You can sort them by best match, sales high to low, or price high to low. And then you can find different items. And when you find something, just click on that specific thing. It's going to open up in a separate tab. And then you can go ahead and just see everything over here, the description, the original link, the price, and then here you can go ahead and see the colors, the sizes, etc. And if you'd like to order, just click on the color you want, click on the size you want, and then here the quantity. You can see the single product data. If you want any more specifications, they're available down here, as well as under specification parameters. And then here, you have to basically read and agree with the disclaimer, and after you do that, you can either add the cart and continue buying, and then whenever you are ready to basically buy everything, click on the cart and click on buy, or you can just click on buy now, and then it's going to take you to your cart over here where you have to select your country. There we go. And once you type that in, you're going to have to review everything. Click I have read and agree, click on submit. Here, you then have to add in your credit card billing address, your first name, last name, phone number, country or region, your province, your city, detailed address, and then your post or zip code. Have to confirm that, and after that, you have to basically either pay with your ACBuy balance. Remember, in case you've topped up over here, you're going to have that available, or with a credit card or any of these available payment methods. After that, simply click on the checkout button, approve some more things, and then you'll be able to basically submit it for delivery, and then you will receive it in a given amount of days, which will also, of course, they will inform you of that too. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use ACBuy, and then whenever you actually have some orders, you can go over here and then you'll be able to see them, the order details, you'll be able to get the tracking number and start tracking them, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.